This is an overview on replacing the maintenance kit on the Hewlett-Packard LaserJet M630. The first thing we've done is we've turned off the power to the printer. So that way we can work on it without any hazards. The first thing we're now going to do is replace the rollers in the trays. And it's the same process for all the trays. She'll show you one tray as an example. The tray's going to come out, it's going to stop. You want to lift up at about a 45-degree angle and the tray will pop free and come off, a lot like a cabinet drawer does. Inside, there's 3 rollers right here. They come out by being pinched. So you can remove these rollers. They pinch on the end. You're going to pinch and then pull them off. These are the 3 rollers that will get replaced. So you'll have 3 of them, like this. And it's going to be the reversal process to put them back on. This one is the first one that goes on. You want to push them on all the way until you feel them click and they stop, and always pull back just a little bit to make sure that they're latched on properly. Once the rollers are in the tray properly, you can reinsert the paper tray. And then just proceed down through the rest of the trays, as many that are with the model you have. The next thing to replace is the fusing assembly. If you have the finisher unit on, it needs to be removed. That can be removed by pushing the release latch here, pulling back until the finisher stops moving. You do need to unscrew and uncouple the serial cable that communicates with the main body of the machine. Once this is uncoupled and pulled back all the way, you can lift at about a 45-degree angle and the finisher will lift out. You can then place it on the ground. You then need to remove the duplex assembly, which once again, it'll stop a little bit. If you keep pulling back, it'll finish coming out all the way. You can place that to the side. And you then need to remove this switch gate right here. It's removed by going to the rear of the printer side or the left side, looking directly at it. You need to squeeze in a little with your finger and then pull back. So what I did with that was I squeezed this side that way to relieve the tension and then removed it like this to get it out. This is the fusing assembly right here with the 2 blue latches. To remove it, you're going to use 2 hands, pinch, and pull straight back. And this is the fusing assembly. The replacement is the reversal process. You're just going to take the fusing assembly, push it in until you hear a click. You always want to pull back just a little to make sure it's seated fully. You then need to reinstall your switch gate, which on either side, there's a little red arrow that will tell you where these notches need to line up so you know it's in properly, and it should be able to freely swing up and down. That's how you'll know it's installed properly. We then reinsert the duplex assembly, and then finally, the finishing assembly. And remember to recouple the serial cable. The last piece to replace is the transfer roller, which is located inside the printer. So you want to open the main cover, remove the toner cartridge, and inside here, there is a black foam roller right here. To remove it, you're going to lift up on the left-hand side, like this, and then pull to the left. And this is the transfer roller right here. The one you replace will have a piece of paper around it. To reinsert it, you're going to start with it up, and then take the silver tip end here, into the white coupler, and you want to put it in until it stops, and then go down on the left-hand side until it clicks into place. Once again, this is spring-loaded, so it should be able to basically bounce up and down slightly. You then can reinsert your toner cartridge and close the lid. The final thing you need to do is reset the maintenance kit count on the M630. And you can do this by scrolling down and choosing Administration. And then going down to Manage Supplies, and then choosing Reset Supplies, and then choosing New Maintenance Kit, choosing Yes, and then choosing Save. This has been an overview on replacing the maintenance kit on the Hewlett-Packard LaserJet M630. Be sure to check out our other YouTube videos by IPS Global.